Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to contact human customer service on SHEIN. So if you're having issues within the app and you want to speak with the customer service, this is how to do it. Open the app, click on me at the bottom right corner, and here you're going to see the headphone icon that says customer service. Click on it. At the bottom you're going to see where it says customer service. Click on it once again. Now what you have to do is to select the issues you have. It might be urgent delivery, to track your order, service record, return or refund something, or to cancel an order. But for me, I will simply type customer service. When you do that, the chatbot is going to show you the time their live chat will be available. From here, you can select or click leave a message. If you have account issues or pre-sale issues, from here you can select the issues you have. Let's say you want to complain about something else. Just click on account verification or any other thing. From here, you can select the issues. From here, you can select your order. And from here, you can lay your complaints. You can also upload a screenshot of what you want to show them. When you are done, you click on Start Chat. And when a human customer service is available, he or she will attend to you. At the bottom, it says, customer service is currently offline. Your message has been recorded. He will reply to you within 24 hours. Sometimes it may not be up to 24 hours. You just have to be patient. So that's how you contact customer service on SHEIN. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.